Very good morning. So, how was your day yesterday?
My day was brilliant.
I can't,
Absolutely.
I can't see you, Chitra, today.
Hey, I'm just switching on, just switching on. Good
Hmm.
morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, Namrita. Nice. Hanji ji, yes. How was your day yesterday?
My day was super brilliant. It was absolutely fine.
Okay.
And truly bolte हैं ना, power is in our hands. So yesterday for I felt like the कल का exercise था. So normally क्या होता है, we work from a space of worry. Like बोलते हैं ना, I'm very concerned about you. I'm quite worried about you. So it's so negative when we say the word worry or कि मतलब I'm worried and concerned. But the minute you started visualizing and looking at something happening for them, you started working from a space of power in a different way.
Oh,
कि
yes.
literally बोलते हैं ना कि जादू की छड़ी मेरे पास है भाई, तेरा हो जाएगा.
बिल्कुल.
You will. It literally, it's like you'll do that. So it was like very empowering because you were like feeling हम we're not operating from worry. एक होता है कि बोलना कि मैं आई एम वेरी वरीड एंड कंसर्न्ड अबाउट यू, और एक होता है कि दिल से चाहना कि मतलब सब कुछ ठीक हो रहा है एंड यू आर इन एब्सोल्यूट कंफर्टेबल स्पेस. तो बहुत एम्पावरिंग लगा मुझे कल.
यस. सो ये
एंड
एक जो शिफ्ट आता है ना, जब हम और लोगों के लिए सोचने लगते हैं कि यार हम वहाँ भी वैल्यू ऐड कर सकते हैं, ये डिफरेंट ही स्पेस पे आपको ले जाता है.
correct, correct. So that was very, very, I like that a lot. And I think overall, over the days, what's coming back and back, and that's why I was just waiting for consistency, is हर बार लगता है एक तो पहले कुछ दिनों के लिए वो मैचस्टिक वाली याद आ रही थी, right? But the point is, बहुत दिनों के लिए याद आ रही थी. And now I think it's reaching a space where you feel that you are in control to what you want to do, and the more you think that it is possible, the more you are thankful for it, and the more you visualize it's happening, the more you
Yes.
are seeing it happen closely. So I think that is where the very, very big shift is there.
Yes, and that's the shift which we all actually have to make.
The
पर
only
हम क्या है, पूरी लाइफ यही सोच सोच के निकाल देते हैं कि ये नहीं हो रहा है, वो नहीं हो रहा है, ऐसे नहीं हो रहा है, वैसे नहीं हो रहा है. एंड उसमें द नेगेटिविटी सेट्स इन सो मच कि हम खुद ही रियलाइज नहीं करते कब हम उस नेगेटिव स्पायरल में जाने लग गए हैं.
absolutely. और कई बार I think the other thing is that it's brought you out from your social, your conditioning. कंडीशनिंग होती है ना कि मतलब अपने लिए मत सोचो, यू आर सेल्फिश, वो कैसे बोल सकते हो कि मतलब यू आर इन कंट्रोल ऑफ. सो फॉर मी इट वाज वेरी डिफिकल्ट बिकॉज आई थिंक आई टोल्ड यू, फॉर मी आई कम लास्ट. सो
राइट.
मेरे लिए कुछ भी you know, ये हो जाएगा और आई एम सीइंग इट हैपनिंग, यू थिंक यू वांट. तो मतलब अगर इफ वांट समथिंग, इट इज हाउ कैन दैट बी योर डिजायर, बिकॉज आदत नहीं है डिजायर करने की. So
राइट.
it was so difficult for me to think that I have to. So a conditioning shift आ गई है. It's not wrong to think of wish for something for yourself. In fact, it is a must that you think for something for yourself. Because
बिकॉज
परसों
ओनली.
जब जॉब के बारे में बात करी थी, चाह ही
हाँ.
नहीं रहे थे. डिजायरिंग, तो डिजायर नहीं करोगे तो मांगोगे कहाँ से, और नहीं मांगोगे तो मिलेगा कहाँ से. So I think for me that conditioning shift is taking both the time, and I think that's the biggest victory of.
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड. आई एम एक्सट्रीमली हैप्पी दैट थिंग्स आर शिफ्टिंग, क्योंकि बहुत ही क्रिटिकल है वो. यस. परफेक्ट है जी. सो एनीबडी एल्स हु वांट्स टू शेयर समथिंग? आई विल मीन वाइल शेयर दिस.
मेरी छोटी छोटी कंप्लेंट्स चली गई मैम. मैं इतनी नेगेटिव हो गई थी बीच में, एज यू नो, फॉर नो रीजन आई वाज फाइंडिंग फॉल्ट्स विद एवरीवन. आई एम इन सच अ हैप्पी स्टेट ऑफ माइंड. कोई प्रॉब्लम मुझे लगता ही नहीं कोई चीज में. आई मीन आई एम सो हैप्पी एंड आई फील सो ब्लेस्ड एंड आई एम हैप्पी आई जॉइन दिस मैजिक जर्नी एंड थैंक यू मैम.
Thank
अब वापस
you.
मेरा
And I'm
ग्रेटिट्यूड
so
लाइव
happy to see
मेरा.
your lovely smile. Right. So, आज oh wow, आज तो निशांत भी बैक है. वेरी very nice. So who is going to read it today?
I'll try, ma'am. If the baby gets up, maybe you can take over then.
Perfect.
Okay,
Cue the
ma'am.
magic.
Yeah. Life is playfulness. We need to play so that we can rediscover the magic all around us. Flora Colao, writer and therapist. Today's practice, Cue the Magic, is one of my favorite practices because it's a game you play with the universe and it's a lot of fun. Imagine that the universe is friendly and caring and that it wants you to have everything you want in life because the universe can't just walk up and hand you what you want. It uses the law of attraction to give you signs and cues to help you receive your dreams. The universe knows you have to feel gratitude to bring forth your dreams, so it plays its part in the game by giving you personal cues to remind you to be grateful. It uses the people, circumstances, and events that surround you in your day as your magic cues to be grateful. It works like this. I should continue, ma'am.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
If you hear an ambulance siren, the magic cue from the universe is to be grateful for perfect health. If you see a police car, your magic cue is to be grateful for safety and security. If you see someone reading a newspaper, it's your magic cue to be thankful for great news.
Wow. अब
If you
एक
want
मिनट.
to,
Just a minute.
yeah,
So, do you remember your childhood? जब हम लिटरली क्यूज ढूंढते रहते थे पूरा टाइम,
Yes.
है ना?
Yeah.
एंड
yes,
अब
ma'am.
हम क्या करते हैं? अब जब ये होता है हम कोई क्यों नहीं ढूंढते, हम कुछ नहीं सोचते क्या है. आई थिंक जो मैक्सिमम टाइम्स हम करते हैं इरिटेट होते हैं कि यार ये क्यों हो रहा है. यस और नो?
Yes, ma'am, certainly.
है ना? और सिर्फ अगर वो पर्सपेक्टिव हम शिफ्ट करके उसमें ढूंढने लगे कि हमें इसमें यूनिवर्स क्या बता रहा है, मेरे ही सामने ये क्यों आया अभी, द होल थिंग विल चेंज. पूरा दिन हम, जैसे वो ग्लैड गेम थी ना जो हमने शुरू में पढ़ी थी
Hmm.
मूवी में, हम पूरा दिन गेम खेलते रह सकते हैं, मैजिक मैजिक, है ना? सो दिस इज, मतलब बहुत ही अमेजिंग सा चैप्टर है ये. यस ना अमृता?
If you want to change the weight of your body, when you see another person with your perfect weight, it's your magic cue from the universe to be thankful for your perfect weight. If you want a romantic partner, when you see a couple madly in love, it's your magic cue to be grateful for the perfect partner. If you want to have a family, when you see babies and children, take the magic cue and be grateful for children. When you pass by your bank or an ATM, it's your magic cube to be grateful for plenty of money. When you arrive home, it's your magic cue to be grateful for your home. And when a neighbor calls in to have a cup of coffee or you wave to them across the street, it's your magic cue to be grateful for your neighbors. If you happen to see one of your material desires on your list, such as your dream house, car, motorcycle, shoes, or computer, of course, it's your magic cue from the universe to be grateful for your desire now.
यस.
When
तो आज क्या करना है ना, देखना है आप लोगों को दिखता क्या है पूरे दिन में. वॉट इज इट दैट कम्स इन फ्रंट ऑफ अस? देर आर लैक्स एंड लैक्स एंड लैक्स ऑफ थिंग्स, है ना?
hmm,
बट हमें दिन में बहुत थोड़ी सी कुछ चीजें दिखती है. हम सेम रास्ते से निकलते हैं और किसी दिन हमें कोई शोरूम दिख जाता है और किसी दिन कोई. यस और नो?
yes, ma'am.
है ना? एंड रीजन क्या है? मैजिक क्यू. सो
Mhm.
टुडे जस्ट कीप नोटिंग कि क्या दिखता है व्हेन यू आर पासिंग बाय, और व्हाट हैपेंस इन योर डे. यस.
When you begin a new day and someone says good morning, you have been given a magic cue to be grateful for the good morning. If you come across someone who is really happy, it's a magic cue to be grateful for happiness. And if you overhear another person saying thank you anywhere at any time, it's your magic cue to say thank you. मैम बेबी उठ गया है.
Right. Chitra, will you want to take over?
I'll do it.
Yes.
There are unlimited and
And
creative
thank
ways
you,
the universe.
Namrita.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes. Anji Chitra.
There are unlimited and creative ways the universe has to magically cue you to be grateful in your day-to-day activities. You can never misunderstand a magic cue or get a cue wrong because whatever you think a cue is for, you're right. The universe uses the law of attraction to magically cue you, and so you always attract the exact cues that you need to be grateful for in that moment. Cue the Magic has become a daily game I play, and with practice, I now automatically see all the magic cues the universe gives me, and I give thanks for every one of them. It never ceases to thrill and amaze me how the universe finds new ways to cue me to set the magic of gratitude into motion. When I receive a phone call from a friend or family member, it's a cue to be grateful for him or her. When someone says, "Isn't it a beautiful day?" it's a cue to be grateful for the beautiful weather where I live and for another beautiful day. If an appliance breaks down, it's a cue to be grateful for all my appliances that are working perfectly. If a plant in my garden is struggling, it's a cue to be grateful for all the healthy plants in my garden. When I collect the mail, it's a cue to be grateful for the mail service and for unexpected checks. When someone says they have to go to an ATM or I see people in line waiting, it's a cue to be grateful for money. If a person I know comes down with a sickness, it's a cue to be grateful for their health and mind. When I open my curtains in the morning and see the new day, it's a cue to be grateful for the great day ahead. And when I close my curtains at night, it's a cue to be grateful for the great day that I had. To play Cue the Magic today, all you have to do is to be alert enough to take 7 magic cues from the universe during the day and give thanks for each one of them. For example, if you see someone with your perfect weight, say, "Thank you for my perfect weight." So you get to choose which magic cue you want. You can even try to respond to as many magic cues in one day as you can. If you've been following the daily magical practices over the last 24 days, you will have reached a point by now where you will be alert enough to notice the cues the universe is always giving to you. One of the many benefits of gratitude magic is that it wakes you up and makes you far more alert and aware. And the more alert and aware you become, the more grateful you become, and the more easily you attract your dreams. The universe magic.
So, magic practice number
Magic practice
25.
number 25. Cue the magic. 1. Count your blessings, make a list of 10 blessings, write why you're grateful, reread your list, and at the end of each blessing, say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as grateful for that blessing as you can. Number 2, today be alert to what's around you and take at least 7 gratitude cues from the events in your day. For example, sorry, if you see someone with your perfect weight, say thank you for my perfect weight. Lastly, just before you go to sleep tonight, hold your magic rock in one hand and say the magic words, "Thank you for the best thing that happened during the day."
So, who all are excited to play this game today?
For
I
sure.
re- I really like this chapter. मुझे बिल्कुल ऐसे ना यंग प्रीति वाली फीलिंग आती है एंड इतनी मुझे एक्साइटमेंट
Exactly.
होती है ना कि कैसे ही बस ये खत्म हो और मैं क्यूज ढूंढने शुरू कर दूं.
I think even the fact he said who was excited, Baki, then yeah, I am. Or aaj it is like, yeah, so I think usi mein farak aa raha hai.
Very nice. Anybody who has any questions on this chapter?
Ma'am, what was the activity exactly? Actually, I joined late. Sorry, ma'am. What's
हाँ.
the activity?
सो द एक्टिविटी इज कि जैसे हम बचपन में सोचते हैं ना कि क्यूज ढूंढते रहते हैं कि ये इसलिए मिल रहा है, ये यहाँ पे छुपाया होगा, वैसे ही आज हमने देखना है यूनिवर्स हमें क्या क्यूज दे रहा है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल अगर हमें एम्बुलेंस दिखेगी तो क्यू है कि यार हमें अपनी हेल्थ के लिए ग्रेटफुल होना है. ठीक है, रादर देन थिंकिंग कि क्या ये चूचू करके निकल रही है, मेरे को स्लो होना पड़ रहा है. जनरली दिस व्हाट वी डू, राइट? वो सिर्फ इसलिए निकल रही है कि मे बी हम थोड़ा ग्रेटफुल कम हो गए अपनी हेल्थ को लेकर, राइट? सो आज पूरे दिन में ऐसे 7 क्यूज ढूंढने और सोचना है कि यूनिवर्स हमें वो क्यों क्यों दिखा रही है, हम इतने स्पेशल क्या है, हमें इतना स्पेशल कि यूनिवर्स हमें बोल रही है ये देखो ये देखो ये देखो, ठीक है? सो दिस इज व्हाट वी हैव टू डू टुडे, यस, एंड इट्स वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग, you will really like it. Perfect. Hello Nishant. Nishant mute.
Hello, ma'am.
How are you doing? Where have you been? Fresh हो गए कि नहीं हुए?
I'm doing great. Just came back. It was great. 6 days.
सही है. चलो, good to have you back.
Yeah, sure, ma'am.
Okay, done है. चलिए, then we'll end this session with our beautiful song. Please unmute yourself. This little light of mine.
This light of mine.
Let it shine.
Let it shine. Let it shine.
Let it shine. Light of mine. Let it shine. Let it shine. Let it shine. This little light of mine.
Let it shine.
Let it shine. Let it shine. Let it shine. Wow. So tomorrow I think we all should play this game with ourselves. So we'll talk about the 7 cues which we got today. Are we ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Perfect. तो सुबह सुबह I'll be very excited to know किसको कौन सा क्यू दिखा आज. Okay. Bye bye then. Have a great day.
Thank you. You too.
Bye.
Thank you.
See you. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.